to HOTT, the Hybrid and Online Teacher Training course at Craven Community College. In this video tutorial, we will explore how to create Moodle books. To begin, I'm going to show you an example of a Moodle book. So here I am in our HOTT course, and this is the icon for a Moodle book. I've already set this book up, so I'm going to click on it. And so right away you see the first page of my book. It's numbered number 1, and I actually recommend doing this is on your very first page of your book, go ahead and put some instructions on how to use the book. So I tell my students that the book includes video tutorials. I tell them how to access the videos, which they can either select the link from each topic over here in the table of contents, or they could use the arrows located within each page of the book to navigate. So they could click on this and go to the next page of the book, which contains a video, and see how it moved down from number 1 to number 2 here in the table of contents. So this is how a book looks, and it just gives students the opportunity to access lots of material all compacted into one nice neat little book. So that's what a book looks like, and now I'm going to show you how to create the book. To create a book in Moodle, I'm going to make sure my editing is turned on, and then I will go down to Add an Activity or Resource, select Book, click Add, give my book a title, and I'm going to expand all. And I like it just as it is as the default, so I usually have my chapters formatted with numbers and my navigation with images. That image is that arrow that I showed you in the book example. Common module settings, I show it on my course page and I leave the ID number off. I could restrict access if needed, and I could use activity completion. So I don't necessarily do tags, but I could, or competencies. And now I want to go ahead and set up my chapters. So I save and display. And what this does is it allows me to add my new chapter. And then I would put the content here in this area, and then I would save changes. So what that does is it gives me my example book, my welcome, and my welcome to my book. And then over here to the right under table of contents, this is where I can add another chapter. So this plus sign, I select it, and now I can add my next chapter. If I wanted it to be a subchapter underneath the first chapter, I could do so and select that button, and it would make it a chapter underneath my welcome page. But now I would give this chapter a title. And I'm going to write books are fun. And I do want to point something out. You have access to this whole toolbar just as you do in many other resources in Moodle. So you could literally add pictures, videos, audio, files, you can format your text, you could write all kinds of information on your book. So you're not limited at all. You can use every tool on the toolbar. I'm just using a simple example for the sake of time. And now I'm going to save changes. And so now we can see I have 2 chapters in my book, and if I wanted to add another one, I could add the word chapters, and I'm going to make this one a subchapter. And I'm going to save changes. And what we'll see now is we have chapter 1, chapter 2, and my subchapter gives me 2.1 and it indents it a little bit. So really that's how simple it is to make a book in Moodle. We also can change the order of things. If I wanted to move this up, I could move it up or move the welcome down. I can edit it and make changes to it here. I could delete it, I could hide it, I could add another chapter right here or here. So that's really it. It's very simple and it's a great tool. It's nice because it condenses a lot of information into one little resource of a book, so it's not taking up too much real estate on your Moodle page. So that's it. Thank you for joining me for this hot topic of Moodle books. See you next time.